bits are magnetic. They'll just pop right in here. Go ahead and give it up to high just to make sure that's nice and tight. Hey y'all, it's Angie. I'm here today with the HOTO 3.6 volt cordless electric screwdriver. It comes in a clean, compact aluminum storage case, and it includes 12 S2 steel bits. Now, if you're not familiar with S2 steel, it's a high strength alloy and it holds up really, really well over time. These bits are rated up to 60 on the Rockwell hardness scale, which basically means that they're built to last, even if you're using them a lot. Now, the vendor did send this over to me to test out, and I have used it on my door locks, and I also used it on this little baker's rack over here to tighten up some Allen wrench screws. Now, if you're like me, those metal L-shaped Allen wrenches, they're such a headache. These little things right here, so much better. Now this set includes a variety of bit types. You've got Phillips, you've got flathead, you've got hex, and you've got Torx, and a posi drive as well. So whether you're tightening cabinet hinges or adjusting furniture or doing small repairs, you're covered. Added bonus, these are magnetic. So instead of dropping those screws, it's gonna hang on to them for you. Now on our screwdriver, it also comes with a little rubber cap that goes over the end here, and that's gonna help keep debris and dust and all kinds of stuff out of the end there. Now these are super easy to attach. Like I said, they're magnetic, they pop right in. So one thing that I really, really like about this, you've got 3 torque levels, 4 if you're counting the manual, and if you've got it on off, you can use it as a manual screwdriver. And then you've got 3 torque levels that you can adjust. If you're doing something lightweight, then you can do that. If you're really working in some wood or some heavy duty stuff, you can crank that thing up. This thing runs up to 220 RPM, and there's also a smart sensor on this, so it stops at the absolute second that you let off of the button, which makes it way easier to control and to use. Another thing that I really like about this is you've got a built-in LED ring right here around the front that lights up automatically when it's running. You don't have to switch it on, and that's great for working in dim corners or under shelves or wherever you would also have to hold a flashlight and it would normally be in the way. Now this thing charges with a USB-C, which is also included here. It charges right here on the end. Your indicator light here, when it gets below 20%, this is gonna turn red. When it's fully charged, it'll be solid white, and when it's charging, it's gonna blink and flash at you. It has a 1500 milliamp battery that lasts long enough to drive over 1,000 screws on a full charge. And this thing will fully recharge in about 150 minutes. The other thing that I really like about this is it's a metal case. It's not plastic. You can pop that down in there. And if you're worried about this case coming apart, don't be. It has a lock and an unlock feature on it, so you can pop that into there and lock it, and you're all secured and ready to go. Now this is one of those tools that you're gonna wanna keep close, whether it's in the glove box of your car, tossed into a backpack for quick fixes, or even keep it in your tech bag or heavy duty tool drawer. The case keeps everything locked and organized, so it's easy to grab and go without worrying about all the parts rolling around. If you need something portable, simple, and built with quality in mind, this is a good solid choice.